How to post a job in Facebook. Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm gonna show you how you can actually post a job in Facebook. So I'll show you step by step in this video on how you can do that, and I'll show you guys the full guide. So follow the video all the way through to understand how you can do this. So firstly, here on the Facebook page, you're gonna wanna head over to the search bar. Now, on the search bar, you're gonna wanna go ahead and type in job. Now, go ahead and search job. Now, once you go ahead and search job, you should be able to head over to groups, and under groups, you should be able to see all of the groups regarding jobs. Now here in groups, you're actually going to want to go ahead and join them. Now you can see that I went ahead and already joined this group right here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to give a brief description of my job listing here. So we'll just say that we're starting at $19.75 an hour, and just basically say and give a description of the job here. So basically once you do that, you can attach photos, whatever it might be. You can see all of these people right here that have actually went ahead and posted. So if you want to post a job in Facebook, you just start posting them in groups. So that's essentially how you do it, and that's how you post a job in Facebook. So with that being said, hopefully you found the video helpful, and please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, have a nice day everybody. I'll see you guys until next time.